By the end of this video, you will know how to record a refund to a customer in Wave. Start by logging into your Wave account with your usual sign-in details. Once you are in, give the dashboard a moment to load if needed, then look to the menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you will move into the accounting area where the refund transaction can be entered. From that left-hand menu, click Accounting. When the accounting options open, select Transactions. This takes you to the page where money moving in and out of your business is recorded. Since a customer refund is money leaving the business, the entry you create here needs to be a withdrawal rather than a deposit. On the Transactions page, find the Add Transaction option and click it. From the choices that appear, select Add Withdrawal. This opens a form where you can enter the details for the refund. At this stage, make sure you are creating the correct transaction type before filling anything in, since choosing a different option would record the movement incorrectly. Now enter the refund information into the available fields. Start with the date and use the date the refund was actually issued. Then select the account the money came from. This should match the bank account, credit card, or other payment account used for the refund. After that, enter the amount of the refund exactly as it was sent. In the description field, add a short note that helps identify the transaction later, such as a reference to the related customer refund or invoice, without including any private details. Next, move to the category field. Open the category list and select refund sent for an invoice in Wave. This category is important because it tells Wave how to classify the withdrawal in relation to an invoice refund rather than leaving it as a general expense or an uncategorized transaction. If you have many categories in your account, take a moment to confirm that this exact category is selected before moving on. With all fields completed, review the transaction details on screen. Check the date, account, amount, description, and category one more time. This final review helps make sure the refund is connected to the right account activity and recorded with the correct purpose. If anything looks off, update it now before saving. When everything is correct, click Save. Wave will record the withdrawal as the customer refund based on the details you entered. After saving, the transaction will appear in your records as part of your transaction history, and it will reflect the refund sent from the selected account. The customer refund is now recorded in Wave as a withdrawal categorized as refund sent for an invoice in Wave.